Most people treat recovery as an event, a nap, a massage, or a weekend off. That's a slow lane approach. In a high-performance world, you shouldn't have to decide when to recover. You should have a system that does it for you. Today, we're building a 3-step automated protocol that uses your wearable data to remove the guesswork and keep your performance levels high without daily manual effort. Step 1 is shifting from "how do I feel" to "what does the data say?" Use your wearable to set a personal baseline for HRV and sleep quality. When your HRV drops below your established threshold, the system triggers your recovery mode automatically. You no longer need to rely on willpower to decide if you're tired enough for a break. The data makes that call for you. Once the trigger is pulled, you don't add recovery time to your schedule. You stack it. Habit stacking means attaching restorative microdoses to routines you already have. Stretch while the coffee brews, or practice box breathing during your commute. These aren't extra tasks. They are biological resets integrated into your existing workflow. Step 3 is the 1-minute audit. Before you close your laptop, ask, "Did I do at least one thing today that replenished my energy?" This prevents the boiling frog syndrome, where you slowly burn out without noticing. By logging this in a simple, unified checklist, you create a feedback loop that rewards consistency over intensity. You aren't resting because you're weak. You're automating recovery to stay in the fast lane longer. True longevity is built on systems that work while you're busy. Start by connecting your wearable data to a simple dashboard today, and stop waiting for burnout to force you to stop.